5 seconds to go. Start. Testimony of the victim in such cases is vital, and unless there are compelling reasons which necessitate looking for corroboration of her statement, the courts should find no difficulty to act on the testimony of a victim of sexual assault alone to convict an accused where her testimony inspires confidence and is found to be reliable. Seeking corroboration of her statement before relying upon the same as a rule in such cases amounts to adding insult to injury. Applying the law laid down by this court in the aforesaid decisions to the facts of the case on hand, and as observed herein above, we see no reason to doubt the credibility and or trustworthiness of the prosecutrix. She is found to be reliable and trustworthy. Therefore, without any further corroboration, the conviction of the accused, relying upon the sole testimony of the prosecutrix, can be sustained. Now, so far as the submission on behalf of the accused that as there were no external or internal injuries found on the body of the prosecutrix, and therefore it may be a case of consent is concerned, the aforesaid has no substance at all. No such question was asked even remotely to the prosecutrix in her cross examination. Therefore, the aforesaid submission is to be rejected outright. Now, so far as the submission on behalf of the accused that the learned trial court erred in not believing DW1 and erred in not believing the defense and the plea of alibi that on the night of the incident he had gone to Indore and was not present in the village is concerned. At the outset, it is required to be noted that cogent reasons have been given by the learned trial court not to believe DW1 and not to believe the plea of alibi raised by the accused. DW1 belongs to the same village of the accused. The reason to go to Indore has been disbelieved by the court. It was the case on behalf of the accused and the defense that as one Babulal had met with an accident, DW1 and the accused had gone to Indore taking Babulal, and they had stayed at Indore on that night. However, it was found that Babulal had an injury before 2 months. Defense had not produced the record of the hospital or examined doctor or employee of the hospital where the said Babulal was taken for treatment. According to the defense, they had stayed in the house of Tulsi Ram at Indore, but the said Tulsi Ram has not been examined. Even the Babulal has also not been examined. Under the circumstances, the learned trial court has rightly disbelieved the plea of alibi raised by the accused and has rightly disbelieved DW1. On appreciation of evidence, the learned trial court has specifically observed that the deposition of DW1 does not inspire any confidence. Stop.